Welcome to Anji Maths channel. Let us discuss an interesting question from the mensuration. That is, in a rainwater harvesting system, the rainwater from a roof of 22 meters by 20 meters drains into a cylindrical tank having a diameter of the base 2 meters and height 3.5 meters. If the tank is full, find the rainfall in centimeters. See, to understand this question, let me draw a related figure. You may be asked this question for 4 marks. See, on the top of the roof, rainwater is you are going to harvest. It will be top of the house and it may have dimensions 22 meters by 20 meters and let the rainfall has got reached some height. What is this height? Let it be the rainfall you got is some H meters. This water is drained into a cylindrical tank with a diameter of the base. That is, this diameter is 2 meters. Diameter is 2 meters, which means the radius is 1 meter and height is 3.5 meters. After draining this water into this tank, the tank is getting full. So this is your clue. As you know, volume of the water on the roof of the house is equal to volume of the water in the tank. That is the clue we are having. So I don't want to write the dimensions separately here because we don't have that much space. We have volume of rainwater on the roof is equal to volume of water in cylindrical tank. See, roof of the house is in a cuboid shape. With what it makes a cuboid shape, the formula is length into breadth into h. This is area of the base pi r square into h. As we are taking height of the water on the roof is h. Length and breadth are given as 22 meters by 20 into which is equal to 22 by 7 into radius 1 meter, 1 into height of the here there are two heights, let it be some h1. This is 3.5. 3.5 1 times, 3.5 2 times, 2 ones, 2 11s. Now bring all these things into RHS. H is equal to 11 into 1 by 22 into 20. 11 ones is equal to 1 by 40 meters. Convert into centimeters. 1 by 40 into 1 meter means 100 centimeters. That is 22s, 25s, 5 by 2 centimeters, that is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Therefore, from this what you can conclude, the rainfall is on the top of the roof is 2.5 centimeters for that area. Thank you. I hope you understand.